What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to connect your Ninebot G30 Max scooter, Max G30, and bind it with your phone. So first what you need to do is to turn it on, then find the Segway Ninebot app. Of course you can use any other apps I have here, but Segway Ninebot is an official app that is currently in use. Then add device, Bluetooth search and connect. Then I found the Max G30 device, click on it. Wait until it will ask for some confirmation here, so connecting, please wait. Please start pairing via Bluetooth, so click one time. Device pairing successfully. Then on the top of your phone you will see your email. Click bind here, Bluetooth pairing complete, please wait until it will be bounded, so bind successfully. And of course some safety instruction, just skip it. Okay, so now currently the scooter is fully attached to your device. You have already some new firmware available. Go to the settings, device info, have the mileage here and all the other information available. And currently it's fully attached to your phone, so you can unbind device here, but anyway you can use it, change the settings and fully realize that this device is yours.